Hello and welcome to the Red5 Developer Series. My name is Dominic Agatato and I'm the CTO and one of the founders of Infrared 5. In this series, we're going to start off by taking a look at the red5.org website. It's basically trac, which is our project management tool, and on that site on the left hand side you could see a number of navigations. On the home page we list the features that the Red5 server provides to you. You could also see the latest releases by clicking on that link. The change log will give you an idea of what we've been adding to it from feature to feature. The Red5 plugin of which I developed can be located from the red5.org site, and we have installation instructions here. It's basically an Eclipse plugin, and we also have a tutorial on creating Red5 projects at the bottom. You'll notice in the documentation section there's some features and examples, the installation, documentation, for the community we have our mailing list, and it should be noted that we did change mailing list from the OS Flash site to using Red5 on the Google Groups. So you should apply for the Red5 interest site, and developers are on the Red5 developer list. We also have an IRC channel, a few weblogs. In our development section it shows you how to get SVN access, which we're going to be taking a look at shortly. The roadmap is actually quite, it's empty right now. We're going to have to update that with some things that we want to add to Red5, which we haven't taken a look at lately. For the ticket section, you can actually create tickets from here, or you could view all the tickets that exist currently. Now the only way to actually create tickets is to register for the red5.org trac site. And to do that, just click on register up here and put in a username and a password and log in. I'll just log in as myself. Once you're logged in, you can actually click on one of the ticket sections, like App Server, and it will allow you to create a ticket. So if you have an issue with the current build of Red5, you should go in here and provide a summary, and you'll be the reporter, and you could give a description. You could say whether it's a bug or a feature or an improvement, and what component it has to deal with, and you could assign to somebody. Typically it's Paul Gregoire, whose alias is Mundane. He's the most active Red5 developer we have, and you can create the ticket from there. In the next part of the series, we'll be checking out the source code from the repository, we'll be verifying your development workspace, building a distribution, and we'll be running a distribution. After the next part of the series, you'll be comfortable in the environment and you'll be ready to make your first Red5 application.